Hi guys, Richard Butler, Video Community Manager here at PitchGround. So in the last video, I left you on my website with my bot, and my bot had decided it didn't want to work properly because what it was doing was it was picking up the two answers here and displaying those, which is not what I wanted. So I need to see whether there was an issue or did I do something wrong here. So let's go back and let's just have a look at this part here. So how much is a coaching session and what is coaching? Now, one was tagged with price, the other was tagged with what is coaching. So those are possible questions. And the coaching answers that I gave here were what is coaching and price. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this one here. I'm going to click on save. And I'm just going to add another answer here. And this answer is going to be called, what is coaching? So the answer is here. So I'm going to save that. And I'm just going to click on save there, and I'm going to call this what is coaching. So again, the best thing for me to do is to train the bot again, and then that will allow me just to check the bot on my website. So when you're starting off, this is one of the things you have to do. You have to train and retrain the bot just to make sure it answers the questions correctly. Okay, so the bot has been retrained. So let me just go over to Safari again. Let me go to that window that I had. And let me just reload the bot. And let's see if this works now. So I click on the bot. I go, hi. It comes up, how can I help you? And I say, what is coaching? Now, what you see is that it's coming up with coaching is a method of helping people discover the answer to their problems. What is coaching? Great question. So it still seems to be picking up the old answer, which is okay. But obviously it'd be better just with the one answer. And then the other one is, how much is a coaching session? Now, you can see that there is still a problem here, because now what it's doing is it's picking up both of those here. So we need to investigate, and as I say, I'm doing this to show you the possible challenges that can come up. So if we go back to my questions here, let's have a look. How much is a coaching session? What is coaching? Do you see what's happened here? That I've just had what is coaching, and I haven't put in an answer for the price. So let me just delete this, and I'm going to put this one in as a tag, price, fill in the answer, and this, the price of each coaching session is $60. So what I'd actually done, and the problem that I had was that I'd actually put in two answers that were tagged as what is coaching, and I hadn't tagged one for price. So if I save that, I go back to train the bot. And once that's saved, I'm going to reload my website and everything should work absolutely perfect. Okay, so the bot has been retrained again. And let me just go back to my website. Let me just reload the website and let's try that. So let me click here. Let me type in hi. So what is coaching? And it comes up. Now again, you see that there's a problem here. Because it's still coming up with the two answers. So if I go back to my bot, here's where I think the problem is, that the word coaching is here and the word coaching is here as well. Even though I put in the word much, it's still coming up like that. So I think I need to go in and I need to change the tags a little bit, and I need to work on that. So that's what we'll be doing in the next video. I'll be fixing up the tags and I'll be showing you how to fine-tune your bot. So again, a really good learning experience for all of us, because if we don't tag the bot correctly, well, it's garbage in, garbage out. What we feed into the bot, it's going to feed out. If we don't train it correctly, well, then we're going to have these problems. So I'll see you in the next video.